Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are going to have some pop-up learning fun with our cute Sesame Street characters. They have great big heads and tiny bodies. We have some surprise eggs with colors and shapes inside. You ready to get learning and popping? Elmo's first on the red one. Pop! There's baby Mickey. Let's open our first egg. It's a red circle. Ernie is on the orange too. Pop! Hi to baby Donald. Let's open our second egg. Oops! It slipped out of my hands. Good thing it's hard and didn't crack like a real egg would. It's an orange square. A square has 4 equal sides. Bert is on the green 3. Push the button, and it's baby Minnie. Let's open the third egg. It's a green trapezoid with 4 sides. Cookie Monster is on the blue 4. He's eating a cookie. No eating while you fly into the air, Cookie Monster. Hang on. We'll turn the dial, and there's baby Goofy. And now let's open our fourth egg. What color do you think it is inside? It's blue, of course, and it has 6 sides, so it's called a hexagon. Abby is on the purple 5. She is the last one to pop. Ready, set, go! And there's baby Pluto. And we have one more egg to open. We have a purple triangle with 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay, Tiny fans, did you spot our miniature Dora doll somewhere earlier in the video? She was hiding. You can go back and have a look. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Mickey and Minnie Mouse, and they need eggs for baking a cake. They went to the market to grab 6 eggs. Let's go to the cash register and pay for our eggs. Beep. Farm Fresh eggs, $5, please. Mickey is paying with his debit card. Let's scan the card. No change for Mickey today since he paid with his card. So let's close the drawer. Here you go, Mickey. There's your card back. Let's open the carton and make sure there are no eggs that are cracked. And there are 6 eggs, which is half a dozen. And a dozen eggs is 12. Let's count in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wave my magic wand. Abracadabra. The eggs are out of the carton. We're going to learn some shapes today. The eggs need to go in a certain spot in the carton. We look at the bottom of the egg to see where it fits. This egg has a funny smiley face and a star shape on the bottom. Let's open it up. And there's a little orange chick. And it has the same eyes as the eggshell. Where does the star go? In the top right corner. Our second egg has its eyes closed. And the bottom shape is a triangle. 3 sides to a triangle. Inside is a blue chick. Where does the triangle shape go? In the middle top. Third egg has glasses and is winking with one eye. Can you wink? On the bottom, the shape is a circle. Let's open up the egg, and it's another orange chick. Where does the circle shape go? It goes in the bottom right-hand corner. Look, both eggs with the orange chicks are on the right side. I think I see a pattern. Here's our fourth egg. Let's see the shape on the bottom. It's a cross. And what color do you think the chick is? It's blue. Both of the middle eggs have blue chicks inside. Let's grab a fifth egg. A happy face. The bottom shape is a heart, one of my favorites. And it's a purple chick. The heart goes in the top left. We have one last egg left with a square shape, 4 equal sides. And what color's inside? That's right, it's purple. And it goes in the bottom left corner. Time for Mickey and Minnie to bake their cake. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Dipsy and Tinky Winky. And over here is Po and Lala. And look at all of these bouncy balls. What do they look like, Tiny fans? They're ladybugs, and there's different colors, and we're going to learn colors in French today. Ready? We're going to start with the green ladybug. Boop, 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 boop. Green in French is vert. And let's put it down the slide, Dipsy. Now the orange ladybug. Orange in French is very similar to English. Orange. Do you want to kick it down the slide? Now for the yellow ladybug. Yellow in French, Lala, is jaune. Now it's Po's turn, and of course we have the red ladybug. Red in French is rouge. Oops, almost lost that ball. This ladybug is blue, and blue in French is bleu. Do you remember the color of our last ladybug? One of my favorite colors is pink. Pink in French is rose, like the flower rose. We have one last ball in the little bag. Oh, look! It's the multicolored ball, and it will bounce down the slide. Ready? Let's watch. Now it's time to collect the bouncy balls. Po, do you want to go down the slide? Let's put you in the little sack so you don't get scratched. Ready, set, go! Whee! How many balls did we roll down the slide? Do you remember, tiny fans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Looks like we got them all. Thanks for helping out today, Tiny fans. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Elmo and Cookie Monster aren't on a mountain. They're on a turtle. And we're going to have fun learning today, Tiny fans, with this turtle that makes sounds. It has buttons and lights. And we're going to find the on switch. There it is, right in the back. And it looks like you can turn the turtle's tail to different settings as well. There's musical notes, but I think we will stay on 1, 2, 3 and learn our numbers today. There's 2 volume settings. Let's make it the loudest so you can hear, Tiny fans. Okay, let's play. Let's start with the green switch and the turtle's head. Let's pop the turtle's head out, Elmo. Good job.
I love to tinker. Let's play.
Now let's start with number 1 foot and pop the leg out. And we need to turn the orange knob, and you can see there's an arrow pointing towards Elmo, so we need to turn it clockwise. 1. And what comes after 1? Number 2. There's a yellow switch with the arrow pointing down.
2.
Hey, the leg isn't popping out. Hello?
2.
Number 2 leg is stuck. Well, we'll have to move on to number 3. And number 3 has a blue switch with an arrow pointing towards the left.
3.
Yay! Number 3 leg popped out. Finally, number 4, there's a red switch pointing down arrow.
4.
Let's see if Elmo can fix the number 2 leg.
2.
Good job, Elmo! It worked! Well, let's pop everything back in, Tiny fans, and you can help me, Cookie Monster. Thanks for learning with us today, and thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.